we go further in the process as being stated in Narad Smriti, and let's see what more is there into that. Now, there is amendment of plaint, defect in plaint. Any person deputed by claimant to argue his case. Now, when we see this 3, 4 and 5, we'll come to know that Narada, number 1, speaks of amendment, what we call today as a chamber summons. There is an equivalent provision in the present civil procedure code. Defect in plaint. Now when we file a suit, the suit goes to a department. The concerned officer in department checks the entire thing and he takes out certain defects in that. So the today's procedure of taking out objections has also come from ancient law. Any person deputed by claimant to argue his case. Now this is nothing but actually the existence of an advocate at that point of time. Additional statements by parties. Now once a party files something, the party wants to add to it, it's for either parties. A corresponding provision we have in our present civil procedure code. Then evidence. Now here evidence is of two types. It is human and it is divine. In human it is documents and it is witnesses. Now we have an identical provision as far as human is concerned in the Evidence Act which we have today. That is Indian Evidence Act. But as far as divine evidence is concerned, there is no provision in the present law. Now what is this divine evidence? We will see this in detail. Now, proper order to be passed. Now today it is said that judges have to pass reasoned order, cogent order by following judicial mind, appreciation of judicial mind. Its actually existence from that point of time. A person loses case because of a false witness. Fresh hearing of a case. Now what is this? This is nothing but a rehearing. Now today when we go in appeal, the appeal court says matter remanded back to trial court to hear afresh. So these procedures and these laws which we actually follow today, when we have seen them together, it's very clear, in fact it's crystal clear that the provisions were existence even in ancient law and we have just either carry forwarded them or we have copied them. So friends, this brings us to the various procedures which were involved in Narad Smriti. Now we will be traveling to our first title of Narad Smriti.